3 passive income streams that make money. While you sleep in 2025, imagine waking up and seeing money hit your account while you were asleep. No boss, no clock in, no hustle. That's the power of passive income, and in 2025, it's more achievable than ever. Today, I'm giving you 3 real passive income streams you can start, even if you're broke or busy. Number 1, high-yield dividend investing. This one's classic and powerful. You invest in companies that pay you just for holding their stock. Think Coca-Cola, Verizon, Realty Income, ticker O. You can start with just $10 on apps like Robinhood, M1 Finance, or Fidelity. $100 invested in the right dividend stock might only pay $6 a year. But scale that to $10K or $100K, and now you're earning monthly paychecks in your sleep. Pro tip: reinvest those dividends and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Tip 2, digital product store. Whether it's an ebook, a Canva template, a fitness guide, or a budget planner, once you make it, it sells itself. No shipping, no inventory. Use platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip. Promote it on TikTok or YouTube once, and watch sales come in 24/7. I know people making $100, $500 a week from one digital product. No employees, no customer service headaches. You're making money in your sleep because the internet never closes. The 3, rent out what you already own. Don't sleep on the new age of renting. You can make passive money with Turo. Rent your car, Airbnb. Rent a spare room, Neighbor.com. Rent your garage or storage space. If you're sitting on stuff you're not using, it could be making you money right now. One guy I know rents out a dusty old driveway for $100 a month. No work, just passive. Passive income is not a dream, it's a decision. Like, comment which of these 3 streams you'd try first and hit that subscribe. We're building wealth in our sleep over here.